So welcome to the project Sensor Based Gear Position Identification System. So in this project we are going to assume DC motor as a vehicle. So the vehicle speed can be monitored based on LCD. So here the speed monitoring is a non-contact IR sensor, and using the potentiometer we can vary the speed. So exact to that speed it gives, according to the controller coding, the permissible gears. So whenever you are making this gear rod position, each and every position can be identified based on IR sensor. So whenever the gear position is being detected, that related gear has been displayed on LCD. So the permissible gears, when you are crossing the other gears, then automatically we get an audible and visual alerts. We check the output. So as soon as we on the kit, so the motor is under some default speed. So you can adjust the speed based on the potentiometer. So depending on the speed, you can see here the promoted gears are 3 and 4 and the gear position is at neutral. Okay. So here the promoted gears are 3 and 4. So you can see here the gear rod, when it's shifting to 3, the gear is at 3. Okay. Now when it is shifting to 4th gear, these are your permissible gears. So you are not going to get any kind of alert. Now when we change our gear position, which is not a permitted position, then you can get a buzz alarming beep. Now gear it as a 2, the permissible gears are 3 and 4, but you have changed to 2. So you are getting an alert. If you shift to wrong location, also like 1, it gives you an alert. Now when we go to the normal position, then automatically the gear gets, buzzer gets stopped. So when we change the speed of the motor, so you can see here the speed of the motor has been reduced. So the promoted gears are 1 and 2. So but our gear rod position is at 4. So you have to change the position of the rod to 1. So once we have received 1, you can see here it is perfectly according to the permissible gear level. So when you change to 2, correct. So it is the gear rod position is under correct mode. So when you go for more than 1 and 2, we get alarm. So in this way, we can have a kind of alerting system based on position identification.